Nothing says Home Depot more than the orange bucket. It's the holiday bucket bonanza, and I want to turn the iconic orange bucket into 5 different Christmas crafts. So let's do this. I'm thinking this area is a little bare and could use a little Christmasing up. So I was thinking of doing 3 candles, making them out of the buckets as bases, and then putting some caulk on there or something to make it look like drippy candle wax, and then painting them and having a flame coming through the middle. Oh, that's right, I haven't done it yet. Bucket gnomes. I want to turn these orange buckets into cute gnomes for Christmas that'll be on each side of my front porch steps. I'll create beard with foam and paint them and create a hat. I'm not going to tell you how because it's a surprise. I want to turn these bucket lids into outdoor holiday ornaments. I'm going to paint them, put a snowflake in the middle, and then use rope as trim and hang them from my trees. I better add some more buckets to my cart on my Home Depot app. Can you handle this wreath? I don't want any of these buckets to go to waste, any piece of it to go to waste. And I want to take the 2 handles from the Home Depot bucket and attach them together, make a wreath, put a garland around them, decorate them with ornaments that I can order off of my Home Depot app. It'll be beautiful, and I can hang it right on my front door. The last one is the bountiful bucket tree. Picture this. You make a circle of buckets, you go another smaller circle and another smaller circle stack, and you end up with one, and you put a star on the top, and you have a Christmas tree. Obviously you're going to paint them green, and if you want to have even more fun, you can fill them with gifts. So think holiday parties or just your home Christmas party or whatever. You fill them with gifts. Think Home Depot tools, Home Depot gift cards. You can't believe all the things you can get at Home Depot, and you can buy them all on your app. The big orange bucket is functional and versatile, and who knew, it just screams Christmas. So have a bucket full of fun this Christmas. I'm Mona from Craft Clutch, and I'm a doer, and I'm ready to get things done.